Good morning, fifth grade. For you early birds, you're probably wondering where my morning message was. Well, it is actually Thursday morning. I plumb forgot to record one last night. So it is actually Thursday morning. Um, Good morning, guys. Today is going to be a pretty light day. You are going to be doing an activity about problem and solution. Remember, that's a text structure that we talked about. If you need help, you can always refer back to that foldable that we did in class. So that would be a good resource for you. I have gotten a couple questions. There's a table where it asks you to put problem on the left and solution on the right. And on the fourth one, it is completely empty. So on the fourth one, you have to come up with a new problem and its solution from the story. Don't forget about this question number 5 down here. So using your understanding of Samuel from this table, what can you conclude about him? So don't forget to answer that question. Don't forget to work on your fifth grade memory. I keep getting lots of kids finishing up. It's going to be due next Wednesday. So this is not going to take you long today. Spend some time working on your memory and don't forget about your journal. Okay, make sure you get your journal done for this week and for past weeks. If you have forgotten, you need to get caught up on those journals. Hangouts are going to be pretty chill today too. Remember, you get to bring your pet. So plan for that. You can bring a real pet. You can bring your favorite stuffed animal, whichever you would like today. We're going to summarize and predict about Woods Runner for a little while, and then I'm going to help with writing or any other homework. If you are not sure if you have any missing work, today would be a great day to hop onto Hangouts. It's just going to be kind of chill. We're going to be talking through some things. I can help you with any assignments that you're needing help with or let you know what you're missing. So hop on today. I did want to share briefly about tomorrow because I haven't talked about this yet. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit different. We are not going to have a fun Friday from 9:30 to 10:30 tomorrow. So instead of a morning fun Friday, we are going to be doing a parade in the afternoon. So make sure that you show up, talk to your folks at 3:30. The parade will start. And we're going to be running a route through Benton. But that means we won't have a morning fun day. So make sure we'll have a full hour of homework help in the morning for our morning hangout. And you can come dressed as a superhero. And then the teachers will parade through town on Friday afternoon starting at 3:30. I did put on this slide the route that we're going to take. So we'll start at the school. If you'll see, this is Benton. If you show your folks, they should be able to either find whether or not your home is on the route or find a spot to set up. Remember, we cannot give hugs or high fives, but we will wave and throw candy at you. So here's the route we're going to take through Benton. So check and see if you're on the route, and if not, find a spot that you can camp out for a little bit. We'll start here at 3:30. So keep in mind, it'll be quite a ways after that before we get down here to the end. Okay? But remember, no fun Friday. I think that's all I have for you today. Sorry I didn't get this message on last night. Hope y'all are having a good day.